time for it to retire. I think it's as old as my husband and I's marriage. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Costco haul, and not only that, it's more of like a holiday Christmas haul. So these are big items, guys. They're mostly home items, guys, because hello, that's what the holidays is all about, right? So let me show you the biggest item. Okay, you know what? I will just show you the biggest item here because I don't think I can fit it here on my video. But basically, I got a tree collar. The tree collar that I got is 35 inches in diameter. And basically, it's the one that you put under your tree. And I feel like this is the new style nowadays. It's not really new, but a couple of years ago, I've been seeing more Christmas trees that instead of they use tree skirts, they use this, like a tree collar. I feel like it just gives it more upscale look to the tree, and I can't wait to use that. I've been searching and searching for it every year. I hope this is big enough for my tree. If this is something you guys want to try this year, definitely check it out. It's on sale, guys. They come in gold and silver, and you will love it. The next item is this Tefal Deep Saute Pan. I use these types of pans for my pasta dishes all the time, and I love how deep it is, and it's perfect for the sauce and to put your pasta in it. This is a 5.5 quart non-stick deep saute pan. I love it for my stir fries, but mostly for my pastas. And I cook pasta at least once a week. It's one of my favorite dishes to cook for my family. It's time to replace our old one. I think it's as old as my husband and I's marriage. A tech item here. This is the Power Hub all-in-one portable charger, again from Costco. I feel like this is such a perfect gift idea for someone who travels a lot. It's an all-in-one port. It has built-in cables, and it works for any type of phone or charging ports that you need. I got this because we are going to be traveling out of state, and we are gonna need a very hefty power bank to make sure that our cell phones and iPads and all of that are fully charged throughout the trip. It's good to have, guys. Very useful if you are traveling, very useful for any family. It has everything that you need for everyone's electronics and things. So highly recommend that one. The next item is this Danish puff pastries. This is my husband. He has a sweet tooth. I feel like this is gonna be really good. It has 36 puff pastries, and it's on sale. Like, if there's one thing I know about my husband, he doesn't buy anything from Costco that's not on sale. The item just keeps getting bigger and bigger. This is the Henkel's Made in Italy brand. This is a non-stick frying pan, and it's a set of 3. Ooh, it feels heavy, so you know this is the good stuff. Unlike the other one, the saute pan, it's pretty light. Again, I think they were like 30% off at Costco, so I just went for it. We use frying pans a lot in my family, and honestly, all our frying pans are super old. So can you tell there's a theme here? But guys, you need to get one of these if you are in need of new frying pans and pots and pans. Costco has a great variety of them. This brand, Henkel's, is like a high-end brand actually, but the fact that they're on sale, you need to just go ahead and grab one. This one is the stainless steel, like silver one, but they also have like the gold one if you're into that. Costco is selling their pillows, and these are the big ones, guys. I love the design of this. You can either have it this way or that way. It's just multifunctional. It's $10 a pillow. You know what? You can get $10 a pillow at Home Goods anyway, and I think Costco has better quality, better bang for your buck. It says Happy Holidays on the front, and you have that plaid kind of theme, Christmas theme in the back. I got 2 of these, so I thought I could, like, you know, put them side by side like this on my couch. And then I got one that's more neutral. And I love this. Again, this is $10. I feel like I could use this all throughout the year because I have a lot of brown furniture. So I can turn it this way, which has that plain one if you're looking for something more plain. But then this one has that textured. I love combining different textures and prints with my pillows. Hello, I'm right here. So I hope these all go together. But I am loving everything. Highly recommend those pillows from Costco. They are super soft, super bouncy. So that is it, guys. What do you guys think of this holiday / Costco haul? Guys, this video might be coming out late, so I need you to run. If you like any of these items right now, go while they are still on sale. If you like this haul, please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, and as well as some lifestyle videos here and there. So definitely stick around. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.